Many people dream of a profitable business that serves customers all over the world. If you are one of them, this information is exactly what you need. Dropshipping is the business that provides equal opportunities to everyone. It doesn't matter whether you are an islander or a resident of a busy metropolis. If you want to secure a better future for yourself and your family, you can easily set up an online business that will bring you money at any point of the globe. You don't need to manufacture products or to buy them from someone in advance and stock them, paying all related expenses. All you need is stable internet access and an online store. Starting here, your business journey begins. Let's see how dropshipping business model works in simple 6 steps. Step 1. Find an online supplier who has the products you want to sell. Step 2. Show the supplier's products with marked up prices on your website and advertise them. Step 3. Receive direct payment from the customers who buy from your website. Step 4. Redirect the orders to your suppliers and pay them their original price, keep the profits to yourself. Step 5. Do nothing, the supplier will ship the order directly to your clients. Step 6. Repeat. Find more products and suppliers if you like, and enjoy greater earnings. Want to start a risk-free, highly profitable business that doesn't take much time to run? If you live in Qatar, you've got everything to pull it off. You can launch your dropshipping business and start living out your dreams right away. Qatar is a perfect place for that. Qatar is a big and growing economy with a population of 2.6 million people and a GDP exceeding $183 billion. That makes this market really promising for online entrepreneurs. Besides, Qatar has all the necessary conditions to run and grow your online business. Stable internet connection to stay in touch and control your business 24/7. Globally trusted payment gateways like PayPal and 2Checkout to receive payments from around the globe and grow your profit. Good social and cultural environment that lets you easily learn whatever you need about the locals and find your customers. So, there is nothing that could keep you from launching your money-making, trouble-free business that will let you enjoy your life. Selling your products to Qatar customers is a great idea. Yet, if you start your dropshipping business in this country, you can easily go beyond borders. You're not limited only to Qatar, the whole world is your marketplace. This business model allows you to find customers in almost every country on the globe. You can sell your products to teenagers from Taiwan, German housewives, or other consumer groups across the world. When starting the dropshipping business, you're not tied down to a certain country or location. You can sell your products around the globe and enjoy your profit going up while being wherever you want and doing whatever you like. Start it now and make your dreams come true. Launch your online store with AliDropship and become a 100% owner of a profitable business. AliDropship is the world's #1 dropshipping business platform that provides you the WordPress plugin and customized store creation service at very affordable price. Create your own dropshipping store with the most powerful plugin for WordPress. Or let the AliDropship team create a store for you. AliDropship's unique solutions are creating a wave of buzz with dropshippers just like you. Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned expert with a multi-million-dollar turnover, AliDropship has the exact solution you're looking for. When you invest in AliDropship plugin, you can easily build your own professional AliExpress dropshipping store. The plugin offers all the features you'll need to build your own highly profitable business. The best thing about AliDropship is, unlike other dropshipping platform, AliDropship lets you enjoy the 100% ownership. Whether you build it yourself or have AliDropship build it for you, you will have full ownership of your dropshipping empire. You keep all the profits and have complete control over your store. And AliDropship doesn't limit you on the number of products you can have or the monthly sales you can get. Even if you have tens of thousands of products and millions of orders, you pay no extra fees. And AliDropship has a wide range of high-quality services to help you succeed through every phase of growth. AliDropship offers free personal support for every solution you order, so you'll always have them as your secret weapon. Are you ready to start your dropshipping business today? The link is in the description below. Go to the description, click the link and start your dropshipping journey today.